We are at Walmart. Oh my gosh. Didn't they used to have like a whole entire wall of fish? Now they downgraded to cheapo. That is so, is it even alive? That thing is dead. Oh no.
Look at this. This poor fish is, that poor fish died.
That fish is so dead.
Look, I would probably buy this one because it's like, oh, did it just doo-doo?
Yo, Benny.
Yeah.
This fish died.
This one?
Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah.
Look, just look at the water.
And
It's
this
like
one looks
yellow.
like he's upside down.
Do you remember when I had that fish tank?
No.
It was from there to here.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I had, and I had one of these, but it was blue.
I
You
used
can't
to
have
have-
both. You can't have two together because they fight.
I thought they ate each other.
Yeah, I had like 5 or 6 fish at
They're
the same
fighting
time.
fish. So when they see each other, you can have two.
What
Then I
happened
bought
to
a
the-
jewel fish. Jewel fish. He killed everybody
Mm.
in my fish tank. I didn't know. If I knew that, I'd never buy that.
I remember every time, yeah,
And you have like these worms in them.
I don't know. Take
I
a
want to buy
video.
fish now. Look, that one died too. Cause just look at the water.
It's because they died. Oh my gosh, did that one die too? Dude, ew!
Let's put these back there. Rest in peace, fishies. Oh, this is like so cool. It's like a polar bear fish, cause you know it's white, and then you know, yeah.
It's so small on this side, and then on that side it looks humongo.
And this one died too.
Did this one die? Oh no, it's still alive. What about this one? This one died too.
You gotta be legit dying. Okay, those are the dead ones back there. Are you dead too?
There's nothing in there. Oh, that's dead probably.
Those people need to learn how to take care of fish. Are you dead too?
That one's dying.
We
Freaking
don't
like,
even give them food. How much are these fish?
657. I don't even know.
I'm gonna buy one.
That one though is just disgusting. Pick it out so you can show the camera.
This one?
Yeah, it's freaking. Look at all that stuff inside of it. That's from the fish.
I feel so sorry for it. I'm gonna go put a demand on the people for killing all these beautiful fish.
And look at this dead fish at Walmart.
Look, this one's about to die in all that dirty water. And are you dead too, honey?
That's probably the one that's the livest.
I wish I could buy some food and feed it to them. I'm so gonna buy a fish tank and come buy fish.
This is so the cutest thing ever. If you put it in a fish tank.
This is so cool.
That's so funny. Where's the rock? I would look. You would totally put Squidward, SpongeBob, and then there's no rock. This is the closest thing to a rock. There you go.
God, SpongeBob. Oh, and then the Flying Dutchman.
Oh yeah, that's so slow.
You know that was dumb because there was
And
one
here's
right
the
here.
anchor.
Gosh, we just built SpongeBob.
You feel the
That's
bikini
hot.
bottom.
That's hot. Wait, I want to take a picture of this.